Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do basically one English speaking practice, and today I'm going to basically speak on this cue card which is about describing a photo of yourself that you like. So this is a kind of topic which I really want to basically speak because it's feel like very exciting to speak on it because I'm very passionate about clicking photo in my childhood basically. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about describing a photo, I was basically not used to of uploading videos, and I'm not used to of clicking photo. But since in my 10th and 8th grade, there are a lot of my friends who are uploading videos and basically uploading photos of themselves in online platforms. So I found out it is very interesting to see them, and they are clicking a lot of good pictures of themselves by camera. And at that moment, that is very new for a lot of people. So I basically suggest one of my friend who is basically want to be a photographer as well. So I basically told him that I also want to basically want to click a photograph of myself. So at the moment, I was very nervous, and because of that, I'm not able to click a lot of good photographs because you need a very empty mind to basically click a photo. Just need to follow the instructions what are the photographer giving, and I basically click photo without having an expression. So it is very difficult for me. So I remember that I was just on the call basically, and I got a call at the moment. Basically, I go one of my friend just joking, and I heard his jokes. So at the time I was laugh, and there is one picture he have clicked. And so yeah, this is the picture which I remember, and I feel like I click it, and my friend is clicked that photo very nicely. And from that time I found out that picture very likable. And so it was a very good picture clicked by himself, because previously he didn't able to click a good picture which I can basically upload on online platforms, so such as Facebook. And so yeah, that's why I basically remember that picture. So if I talk about like a cue card, basically that is how we need to basically speak on the cue card. But still there is a lot of mistakes and lot of things which I need to basically focus on. And I'll definitely confident about myself that I'll be in a very quick span of time I'm going to do these all mistakes, basically correct all these mistakes which I'm frequently doing these nowadays. And I'm very excited to teach people who's over want to basically speak English and want to build a solid vocabulary and grammar as well, because these are all the things which I'm learning nowadays. But still I'm confident about teaching a lot of people by doing the very easiest activity such as I'm doing. Just I pick out one cue card and just try to speak on it, because I always feel like if I cannot do it, nobody else can do it. So yeah, if I can do it, that you can also do the same. So this is a matter of your confidence level. So that is what. Okay. So on this note, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. Bye bye. Have a good day.